Peace be upon you viewers. I hope you are all doing well. I am and welcome to my channel Let Us Learn with Wakar. Today we will learn about the importance of the assembly. What is the importance of the assembly? The morning assembly holds great importance in schools and educational institutions for various reasons. Discipline and time management. The morning assembly sets the tone for the day by instilling discipline and time management skills among students. It teaches them to be punctual, follow a schedule, and start the day with a structured routine. Building a sense of community. The assembly brings together students, teachers, and staff from different classes and grades, fostering a sense of community and unity within the school. It helps create a positive school culture where everyone feels connected and valued. Communication and information sharing. Assemblies serve as a platform for important announcements, sharing information about upcoming events, academic schedules, extracurricular activities, and other essential updates. It ensures that all students receive the same information simultaneously. Moral and value education. Morning assemblies often include motivational talks, inspirational stories, or messages focusing on moral and value education. These sessions help in shaping students' character, promoting empathy, integrity, and other positive values. Cultural and religious awareness. Schools often use assemblies to celebrate and educate students about cultural diversity and religious festivals. It helps students learn about different traditions, fostering respect and tolerance for various cultures. Recognizing achievements. The assembly provides an opportunity to acknowledge and celebrate students' achievements in academics, sports, arts, and other areas. Recognizing their efforts boosts their confidence and encourages them to excel further. Nurturing confidence and public speaking skills. Students often get opportunities to participate in morning assemblies through speeches, recitals, or performances. This nurtures their confidence, public speaking skills, and ability to express themselves. Positive start to the day. A well-organized and engaging morning assembly sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. It can help improve students' attitudes, energy levels, and enthusiasm for learning. Mental preparation. The assembly offers a moment for students to mentally prepare for the day ahead. Inspirational talks and motivational messages can help them face challenges with a positive mindset. Encouraging active participation. Encouraging students to actively participate in the assembly, whether through leading prayers, delivering speeches, or presenting performances, promotes a sense of responsibility and ownership in school activities. In conclusion, morning assemblies play a crucial role in shaping a school's culture, instilling important values, and fostering a sense of community among students and staff. It provides a daily opportunity for communication, motivation, and recognition, contributing to the overall growth and development of students in an educational setting.